Tanque Verde Trailhead. Rocky and steep. Oh, wow, spectacular views of the Tucson Basin. Like you say,
out for mountain lions and
black bear.
Cody, black bear.
Oh, I'd love to see a Cody. Show me what you're seeing. Oh yeah, that's javelina. All right, we're a few feet into the trail and we've already seen javelina tracks. Maybe we'll see a javelina or two or a group. Oh yeah, we also saw some scat.
So that's up to 5 years.
Oh wow.
There's another one down in there.
Yeah, baby saguaros.
There's one that's, I think that's about 15 to 20 years of growth right there.
Wow. Dude, that's just... It's pretty out through there. Yeah, lots of prickly pears.
What were these? These are the shooters.
Yes, there's the calla. They will throw things at you. One of the reasons I picked this trail, it's marked as a moderate, which we're okay with, but also not as popular as some of the easy trails. I did download a 3-mile easy loop trail, which we like the loop trails, and this one's not a loop trail. But it's supposed to be very scenic and not as popular, so not as crowded. 222. All right, where the box says please register, you open the lid, and it looks like that's where the trail starts uphill. Big steps for my old knees. Now the alcatillo have bloomed here. Ones with all the spikes out to the red on top.
Oh, there's the graveyard.
The boneyard?
The boneyard.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, all the weight stuff.
Oh yeah.
That's military planes. In fact, you can see the hangars.
So that's the Davis Mothin airfield. That's Air Force Base here in Tucson. That's where the boneyard is.
Yep.
Can't access that anymore since 9/11. It's not open to the public. But the Pima Air Museum is right south of there. I just can't stop looking at the view. Oh, these saguaros. Here's probably a little easier right here. Oh, wow.
We found it. That's a high rock.
Trail goes on up there, though.
Yeah.
If we wanted to keep going.
Well, I think that's where we went. Yeah, a chance.
Found our turnaround spot, you think? What a great trail. We're only going to do about 1.5 miles. We're at 1.4. We're going to turn around and go back down. Got some other things we want to do in Tucson today. It is uphill. There's no doubt. You gain some elevation. We gained about 800 feet elevation in 1.4 miles.
Just be prepared. Bring plenty of water.
Start early in the morning?
Yeah.
All right. I will put some pictures in from the view here and put it on your list of things to do.
Yep.
Tanque Verde Ridge Trail. We have stepped into the rolling through time Auto Museum in Tucson. We're going to do a tour. We'll show you what we find. This entire collection is owned by one person. Here's a replica of the assembly line.